Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cooking oil and fat shouldn't be poured down sinks as it can cause blockages. Small amounts of cooking oil, fats, plate scrapings of fatty food can be added to your food waste recycling service. If you do not have access to a food waste recycling service, put it in a sealed container and place in the general waste bin.
Let's help you make your mark.
Waste cooking oil recycling ideas and uses. Soap. Once used vegetable oil is filtered and cleaned of solids. You can use it to make wonderful soap, a commodity we all have need of every day. Emergency lamps, ant poison, animal feed, dust suppression, biofuels, diesel fuel.
Take our lead.
General public. You can take your oil to a certified collection center, CCC. Many communities have curbside recycling programs that allow you to leave your oil at the curb, properly packaged. Or you can have your oil changed by a service station that recycles the oil for you. 19 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.